To change the spark plugs on your Sportsman X2, Touring, and 6x6 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface in a well-ventilated area, ensure the vehicle is in park, and set the parking brake. Before proceeding, allow the engine to cool. Then, lift up on the passenger seat lever and remove. Next, pull up on the rear of the driver's seat and pull the seat back and free of the tabs. Remove the airbox cover for ease of access. Then, clean the spark plug area with a clean shop rag so no dirt or debris falls into the engine. Next, remove the spark plug cap by rotating the cap a quarter turn and pull it off the spark plug. Clean out the plug wells with compressed air to remove any loose dirt or debris. Then, carefully remove the spark plug by rotating it counterclockwise. Now, inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. Look for a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion of the electrodes. The normal insulator tip is gray, tan, or light brown. There will be a few combustion deposits. The electrodes are not burned or eroded. This indicates the proper type and heat range for the engine and the service. The tip should not be white. A white insulator tip indicates overheating, caused by use of an improper spark plug or incorrect throttle body adjustments. A wet fouled insulator tip is black. A damp oil film covers the firing end. There may be a carbon layer over the entire nose. The general cause is excessive oil consumption, use of non-recommended oil, or poor fuel quality. Next, clean the spark plug with electro contact cleaner or a glass bead spark plug cleaner only. A wire brush or coated abrasive should not be used. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended spark plugs. Next, install the spark plug into the engine and torque to specification. Do not apply anti-seize. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to the spark plug cap and then reinstall the cap. Make sure the wire is pushed down all the way so that it fully engages the spark plug. Then, reinstall the airbox cover. Next, install the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. When reinstalling the seat, make sure the slots in the seat engage the tabs in the fuel tank. Reinstall the passenger seat. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.